Hi there everyone, Shrikant Bundy here from SB Art Studio. I'm an artist and an art educator. As I record this video, the world is under the grip of pandemic brought on by coronavirus. The coronavirus is affecting all of us, some of us more so than the others. But at the very least, there is a major disruption in our day-to-day activities. We've encountered things like this in our history as humans and we've successfully overcome them. And I'm sure we will definitely overcome them again this time. But the only way we've got through things like this in the past is by people helping themselves and people helping others to bring a positive impact. So, I want to let you know what I'm going to do for a course of next 2 weeks to help you all as well. I want to do my bit to help you all in these difficult times. It has been 5 years I was operating my academy, SB Art Studio. I have trained many students starting from age group of 7 years to 70 plus. We've learned various mediums like pencil drawings, charcoal, watercolors, acrylic paintings, oil pastel, soft pastel, etc. So here is what I'm going to do for you. I will start publishing art tutorials in my YouTube channel starting tomorrow. These tutorials will cover all the basics starting from how to hold a pencil to creating beautiful and complex drawings. I will also organize live streaming demo sessions on YouTube so that you can draw along with me. You do not need any fancy material. All you need is a pencil, a paper, sharpener and an eraser. So, if you want to learn a new skill, which is drawing, and if you're waiting since a long time, this is an opportunity. Or if you want to teach your younger ones or your grandparents, grab this opportunity and get started from tomorrow. All you need to do is subscribe to my channel on YouTube, click on the bell icon to receive the latest updates. And hopefully this webinars of mine will definitely bring joy and get a positive experience in all of you. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.